Pop did all this today. The sun is just so bright. It's amazing what's in the ditch. Look, somebody's mailbox. That's a really wide mailbox. Anyway, all this kind of debris. Someone's trash can. It's just insane. Who knows what all that stuff is? Looks like a dishwasher, and our dishwasher's still up there by the house. Anyway, Pop's put all this out here today by himself with a tractor. I mean, he used the tractor. Anyway, he's still working. Anyway, I did all this down here. I got all this out of the house by myself. All this junk. This was just what was in the doorway, and anyway, a lot of this stuff is brand new and not wet, but you know what? Now is the time to purge. Santa Claus didn't get wet either. I was hoping that that chair didn't get wet either, but I just don't think it's strong enough. And a bag. There's a couple of bags and boxes of stuffed animals. Mom just collected everything. Anyway, so I figure now's a good time to get rid of it. Pop's still cleaning with the tractor. Anyway, I still have a long way to go, but I'm just one person and I can only do so much. And yeah, so anyway, I know my mother-in-law wouldn't be happy about this, but there's nothing I can do about it. Anyway, so I guess I'll get back to working, trying to get all that nastiness out of the house. Whew. And go from there. Alright, this is Lisa with the Barnyard Chicken. Sending all my love and my hugs. This is just a flood update.